He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire. And he keeps waking up, but it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, deprived of all that we're blessed with, and we can't get enough, no. Heaven, if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners, play as saints, you'd be so
What's going on, team? It's about 9 a.m. I just want to do a quick little overall recap before my first meeting. Today was actually the crude oil report. So every single Wednesday, 1 hour after the market opens, there's a report that comes out, which is an inventory report for crude oil. I haven't had a huge focus on trading crude oil the past couple of weeks because I've had such a huge focus on natural gas as we're entering that time of year where it becomes a little bit more bullish. But I actually traded the inverse ETN today, which is degas, just kind of what you see going on right here. So natural gas was showing signs of it being a little bit more on the overbought side. Let's go ahead and jump into my screen so I can do a full on breakdown on showing you exactly what I traded today that led me to make a little bit over $500 profit. So one of my biggest focuses that I like to have is overall direction. One of the things that I pointed out during our live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit group is I began to see natural gas no longer making higher highs, meaning that it really wasn't showing signs of an uptrend and it wasn't pushing above 2.885. So what that meant is it was just consolidating a lot around this general area. Therefore, because of that consolidation, I was able to take advantage of the opportunity that then degas presented. And what I wanted to show you is exactly where I bought and exactly where I sold. Just so you guys can see that right here. Some of it was during the pre-market session. I took a little bit of a break. I took another position during the live trading session with the Learn Plan Profit group. So they saw me close a little bit over $380 profit within that live trading session. And then I took one more trade. I bought here, and then sold here at a total of $88.45. And then it just continued and continued to push up. But again, I hit my daily goal, $526 profit. And again, these were the total trades that I took today. No other open position. Everything is closed out. And as you guys can see, my first position right before 7 a.m. So this was during the pre-market session. Since the market now, due to daylight savings, doesn't open till 7:30. And then my last trade was at 9:08 a.m. And again, that was when I sold my 350 shares of degas. So altogether, $526 profit from start to finish in about 2 hours. So definitely not too shabby. Wasn't the most efficient trading session, but again, it wasn't too bad. So I just wanted you guys to understand exactly where I bought, where I sold, where I bought, and where I sold. Now it's 9:36. It's time to go ahead and head on over to our meeting with one of our bankers.
You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire. Through this it's caught in the crossfire. Through this it's caught in the crossfire.
All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that morning routine. This morning was a little bit different. I don't always go to Chase. I just, it was a suggestion from one of our bankers to get a personal card just to be able to split certain expenses from business and personal expenses. So I just took you guys along for that. I already had some breakfast. For things that I have to do for the remainder of the day is I have to do a game plan with Nick. Nick is one of the investors that I partnered up with when it comes down to the investment property that we purchased for $227,000. It's our first house flip. Therefore, we have to set up a game plan for overall expenses and kind of like the schedule that we have for the kind of weeks that follow, making sure that we stay according to plan so we can sell it for $270,000, $280,000 and lock in that profit. So for the remainder of the day, it's not so much trading that I'm going to have to focus on. Trading really just takes up about maybe 1 to 2 hours of my morning if I do it right. And again, a goal is something to work towards, not something that you have to actually achieve every single day. But for the past couple of weeks, I would encourage you, if this is the first video that you guys have watched of mine, I do daily recaps every single day. For the past couple of days, I've been having non-stop green days and just hitting my daily goal and then just stop trading. So natural gas still continued to sell off. As you guys can see there, D-gas continued to push up. I missed out on about 3%, but again, it's not even about the missing out or FOMO. It's about being able to hit your daily goal on a consistent basis and feeling comfortable and confident while you do so. And that's definitely been the case for me for the past couple of weeks. So if you guys have ever wanted to get started in trading the stock market, I'm gonna offer you guys one of two things. Feel free to add me on Instagram. You guys can send me a message and kind of like where you're at. And I would love to learn a little bit more on how maybe I can be of assistance. Of course, I have over 2,000 free videos on YouTube. So if you're someone that's self-driven and self-disciplined, you guys can start with that. But if you're ready to take trading to the next level, and then you heard me talk about them in this video, it's the Learn Plan Profit group. It is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. So if you want my assistance, that is the only group that I assist. So it's the Learn Plan Profit group. It's going to be the second link down below. They get to watch me trade live every single day. So if you like what you saw, but you would like to see it in real time, then again, click that second link and see if the Learn Plan Profit team is a good fit for you. Again, really looking forward to connecting. I really do appreciate your guys' time. I wish you guys an amazing rest of your Wednesday. Tomorrow is the natural gas report, and I'm really excited about that. So for all those that sign up, we'll see you tomorrow at market open for our live trading session and the natural gas report. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Make sure that you comment any thoughts or suggestions. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.